We're excited about today's announcements. All of our teams have been working hard for this opportunity since their initial return to campus this summer. As we all know, the last several months have been challenging, but our student athletes have shown incredible resilience and commitment to each other as well as our university. These are challenging times for them inside and outside of athletics, and they've done an outstanding job handling all that has been put in front of them. Our current focus is to work with the city and county of Boulder, as well as campus, for a safe return to athletic activities. Our medical staff have continued to be at the forefront nationally in regards to COVID-19 guidelines and protecting our student athletes. Health and safety remains to be our number one priority, and we have guidelines and capacity in place to continue to focus on the safety of our student athletes as they practice and compete. Our testing protocols will progress next week as we begin daily antigen tests for our student athletes. Our official practice start dates are pending due to a new Boulder County health order that went into effect at 4 p.m. this afternoon. We will work with our public health officials to comply with the new public health order and be part of the community solution and resume team activities as soon as possible.
We're excited to get back. We're excited to play this fall. We were very hopeful that this might occur, even with the decision that was made earlier in August. We always have hope about things that can change when the climate gets better. So we were very, very hopeful for this opportunity to actually be reconsidered and to be made public at this point in time. So I know as a team and for the football program, we're ready to go. We're ready to get after it, and we have a lot more focus and intention now that there will be a schedule in front of us. I think our players have always wondered if and when this day would happen, and we're excited that it has happened.
The announcement that we received today, we were definitely hoping, that was the direction that we would go after the NCAA made their decision. So I definitely can feel a lift, an emotional lift in our team. We were disappointed when we heard January, and we were hopeful, that this day would come. So we're very excited. We've been training, given the parameters of small groups and no contact. We've been training really hard, and I'm very, very excited about our ball club. And I think they're equally excited to know that there is now an official date that we will get to not only compete against ourselves, but compete against other people.
I'm thankful for a lot of things today, but number one, I'm thankful that I work at the University of Colorado for a chancellor like Phil DiStefano and an athletic director like Rick George, because they have worked tirelessly, as their staff has, behind the scenes to bring us to this point. I'm also thankful to the other presidents in the Pac-12 who helped make this decision happen. But at the end of the day, this is not about presidents. It's not about administrators. It's not about coaches. Today's a great day for our student athletes. And I can tell you there's nobody happier right now than our players. And my heart goes out to Coach Dorrell and his staff and his players. I can't imagine going through my first year on the job as he is. And having your players sit home on Saturdays watching their teams play football, or even tonight, Thursday night college football on. So I'm happy for them. But this is a great day for the student athletes of the entire Pac-12, and I'm just really, really excited for our players.